everybody, I'm Marinya. Welcome back to my channel. I'd highly appreciate if you take a moment, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video.
The bus ready to go to Belgium. We made it to Brussels, the capital city of Belgium. That structure right there, looking like the CH bonds, chemistry trauma. Anyways, that right there is called as the Atomium. Also, I forgot to mention that this Atomium was originally built for a World Trade Conference. It was a temporary structure, but so many tourists started coming in and it was looking very beautiful, so they decided to keep it. Okay, so we are a little away from the Grand Pla, which is spelled Grand, and PLAS, which is pronounced Grand Pla over here, which is Grand Place. So yeah, a quick piece of information about Belgium is it's very famous for its Belgian chocolate, also Belgian waffles and also the Belgian fries. Also, I spot a lot of skyscrapers here in Brussels than anywhere in Europe I've seen so far. Okay, that right there is the St. Peter's Church. We're not going to be visiting because we're running late. We have to go to Paris by the end of the day. So yeah, that is the church. I'm assuming it should be very beautiful from inside. Also, Belgium is giving me the vibe of both a futuristic city and a fairy tale town. Like, look at these buildings. I think it's on the middle ground of both of those and it's a perfect combination. You won't believe me. As soon as I took a left and entered this small like gully type thing, I can only smell chocolate. Like so many waffle shops, so many chocolate shops. I can only smell chocolate. I'm craving for it so badly. Let's go have it.
So there's one more chorus, and I like to hear you guys sing it.
Okay, so that tiny statue behind me is called as the mannequin piss, where a little boy is pissing. Weird, but yeah, they frequently change the clothes and he's recorded to have about like 1,000 clothes until today. Many people have stolen the statue, so they've put that in the museum, and this is the replica, closest replica possible. Okay, so I just went inside this fritery shop to get some fries, but unfortunately it's not vegan. It's made in beef oil, so I can't really have that. So yeah, let's search for some vegan fries. Got some chocolates as well, Belgian chocolates, and tried the Belgian waffle, but I don't think fries is possible, but I really wanted to try fries, but I literally can't spot any other fry shop in and around. Getting more chocolates. Another stop, same thing, beef oil. Another popular belief that I forgot to mention is statues like this. There are a few golden spots or like the copper spots. If you rub on these, it is believed that you get good luck and fortune by rubbing on these golden parts. Back to the Grand Pla. this place is super crowded. I almost got lost twice. And I constantly have to keep a track of where the group is, otherwise I got lost twice. Okay, so finally our luck worked out, and in that shop right there we found vegan fries made with vegetable oil, thankfully. So yeah, let's go and devour it. Got the fries! We're running late. Okay, so finally made it until the bus. Let's board it and direct journey to Paris.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if
Okay, so bonjour from France, and we just entered France. We are an hour and a half away from Paris. So yeah, we decided to take a half an hour break at the gas station because our driver is apparently very tired. Makes sense. So we're taking a quick break, and there's another store nearby. So we went and explored. Everything is hella expensive. Let's just roam around, explore the gas station for half an hour, and yeah, and then make a move. As soon as I entered Paris, guess whom I met? If you know, you know.
When I've been screwed, dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues.
Okay, so we made it to Paris. This is not exactly the main town of Paris. We're more like the outskirts of Paris, near the CDG airport, that is the Charles de Gaulle airport. So yeah, we stopped here for dinner at an Indian restaurant called Bhojan, but it's currently full, so we're waiting. So yeah, and it's 9 p.m. right now. It looks like it's 5 or something, but it's 9. And it has just rained, so it's the climate is also very pretty.
Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you.
Okay, so finally checked into the hotel, and yes, it's a pretty nice room. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and tomorrow's vlog is gonna be super special because I'm gonna get all touristy in Paris. We're gonna do the Eiffel Tower, and then the cruise, Champs-Élysées, and the Arc de Triomphe as well. That's gonna be in a separate video. Stay tuned for that. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Until then, bye. Mercy for watching.
Diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.